Welcome to Alfred State, and it's nice to hear that you're interested in our cross-country and track and field program. I'm Tim Jajos, the head coach of this team, and this is my first season. We compete in the AMCC and the CSAC. Since moving up to the Division III level, this program has been steadily improving and gaining more recognition. I plan on continuing that upward trend and having both the men's and the women's teams become serious contenders in our conference, our region, and at the national level. We have a tight-knit group of student athletes. Some even call it an extended family. We're all different, but we respect each other the same. We have common goals, and we are here to support each other to reach and achieve those goals. This past season, the program had multiple all-conference and all-region selections, school record breakers, and our first NCAA Academic All-American and first NCAA All-American. We're going to build on that success, set more records, and create a great culture. With a young, talented team, this is very possible. I'd love to add more quality individuals, possibly someone like yourself, that can contribute to our program and become part of a successful history. If you feel like becoming part of this group, competing at the NCAA level, and writing your own story, then contact me, and we can talk more about this and more. Thanks again for checking out Alfred State. Go Pioneers!